Learning the Modes Part 4. In this series we're going to get into the second mode, which is also known as Dorian. Here are the 7 modes. We learned about Ionian. This series is about Dorian. Here are the modes to come. As a quick recap, we remember that the Ionian is also known as the major scale, and in the key of C, we start on C, we play only the white keys, and that gives us C, whole step to D, whole step to E, half step to F, whole step to G, whole step to A, whole step to B, half step back to C. Now notice under here we have numbers. This is going to be helpful as we learn these modes. And notice we have 7 notes before we get back to our starting note. We have 7 modes. In this series we're going to focus on Dorian, which is the second mode. So 2 correlates to the D. So here we're going to learn the Dorian mode. The pattern changes. So we're still going to be in the key of C major, but we're going to play a D Dorian scale or mode. We're going to start on D. We're going to go a whole step to E, half step to F, whole step to G, whole step to A, whole step to B, half step to C, whole step brings us back to D. That is D Dorian. Again, Dorian refers to the second tone of a major scale. So our parent scale is C major. And again, when we write out the major scale or the Ionian mode, it's helpful to number them. Dorian refers to the second degree. So we're starting on D in that example. Let's go to the key of G major. Let's remind ourselves the Ionian or the major scale in the key of G starts on G, whole step A, whole step B, half step to C, whole step to D, whole step to E, whole step to F sharp, and a half step back to G. So if we want to play the Dorian scale or the Dorian mode in the key of G major, Dorian indicates the second scale degree, which will be A. So in the key of G, to play the Dorian mode, we're going to start on A. We're going to go a whole step to B. We're going to go a half step to C. Whole step to D. Whole step to E. Whole step to F sharp. Half step to G. And a whole step back to A. This is the pattern of the Dorian mode.